All right, drink we're about to make is called Robson Cocktail. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there and let it sit for about 30 seconds while you're making your drink. It should be nice and chilled. All right, put some ice in a glass and measure out 1 ounce of Jamaican rum. And follow that up with 1½ teaspoons of grenadine. And next we'll add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And last, 1 tablespoon of orange juice. And shake it up. Get it nice and cold. We're going to be serving it up in a martini glass with no ice. You're going to dump out your water and strain it in. Nice pink colored cocktail. And that is it. Bottoms up.